Did you know that negative x squared is not equal to the quantity squared of negative x? Bakit kaya? Let's explain this. We know that mayroong imaginary 1 sa gitna ng negative sign at ni x. And because of this, ang nakasquared lang dito ay si x. Hindi kasali si negative 1. And we can actually write it as negative 1 times x squared. While ito namang isa, ang nakasquared talaga dito ay si negative imaginary 1 and x. It is because naka-enclose sila sa parenthesis. So we can actually write it as negative x times negative x. So para mas lalong ma-visualize, maglalagay tayo ng value ni x. So let x is equal to 5. So we have here negative x squared and yung isa naman ay the quantity squared of negative x. Now let's substitute the value of x, which is 5. So we have here negative 5 squared and we can actually write it as negative 1 times 5 squared. So 5 squared is equal to 25. So negative 1 times 25 is equal to negative 25. Ito namang isa, we have the quantity squared of negative 5. So we can actually write it as negative 5 times negative 5 is equal to positive 25. So magkaiba yung sagot. Yung isa ay negative, yung isa naman ay positive. So let's check sa calculator kung magkaiba nga ba talaga yung dalawa. So we have here negative 5 squared is equal to negative 25. While ito namang naka-enclose sa parenthesis, the result is positive 25. This only shows na maging careful tayo sa pag-solve ng mathematical equations, lalong-lalo na sa mga signs and symbols because it would result to a different answer.